Good evening. This is Erwin Boada for more Portuguese to English translations. One expression where many people will ask you is, where do you live? So in Portuguese, onde você mora? Esto expresao em inglês, where do you live? Em Portuguese, onde você mora? So I think this expression and the knowledge of its Portuguese translation will help you, especially if you will work in a Portuguese speaking country like Brazil, Portugal, East Timor, and many other places. So since the Portuguese and Spanish languages have plenty of similarities, it will help you greatly. And this is one thing that I can share to you, and I hope you like this. And hasta luego. See you later.